Mm. Mm.
I know many people who I respect and whose opinions I appreciate, who now believe that democracy is shilling for the 1%. And that would lead one to naturally say, okay, then it birthed Facebook, it birthed Google, it birthed these terrifying big tech behemoths. I believe we must separate them out as best we can to understand how one is a governance model and the other is a runaway late capitalist risk for that very model. They are not synonymous. China has far and away the most pervasive and terrifying surveillance mechanisms born of technology of any nation on the earth, and it has never been and never will be a liberal democracy.
Clearly, we wouldn't be having this discussion unless we all shared the belief that the humanities are important. But when you look at the humanities, the classics, philosophy, literature, when you look at them historically, have they always served the ideal of liberal democracy, or have they not some
slash your Charlie argument is this real inclusion and wrestling with technology and what that is doing to us as a self, as a collective, no matter the nation state. And I think that what's very difficult right now is this fact that liberal democracy, which, might, if we take your point that it is this best system for human beings as they are, liberal democracy has created this situation where we have a massive unchecked rise of big tech